YouTubers. So we're doing something a little different today. We're golfing. So we're here in Bella Vista, Arkansas at Brittany Golf Course. It's a 9-hole we're going to be walking this morning. Figured we'd do something a little different. Here we go. We're going to see how fast these greens are running. Maybe get a little chipping in. And then we still got about 15 minutes for our tee time, so we'll get started then. Let's go check it out. Go a little slow this morning. Everything's still wet. Definitely slow. Everything's still wet. I don't know. I'm not a fan of the morning round, only because of the wet grass, but we're gonna make it work. It's a beautiful morning here at Brittany Golf Course in Bella Vista, Arkansas, and yeah, we're gonna walk 9. And we're gonna see what we can do. We're gonna put something together. We'll chat more when we get on the course. Let's get in line. Tee time's coming up, so yeah, I'll get back with you in just a second. All right, guys. Hole number 1. Nice little par 3. 122 yards. Playing whites, by the way. Playing whites today. So yeah, I'm gonna try and get y'all some good views. We're gonna try and get some shots. Just improving game. Having fun. Talking to a camera, looking silly. Everybody else is walking around trying to figure out what I'm doing, but who cares? Let's have some fun, man. All right, smooth 9 iron. Here we go. We're looking at 128 yards. Pin looks almost right in the front, mid to front. Just a nice little butter swing on the 9 iron. Butter swing on the 9 iron. Look at this. Like that. We're on the green. Got a decent little putt, but we'll take it. So you're probably wondering what's the deal with the golf and what's the deal with pushing, because there's carts, right? Yeah, I get it, but it's fun, man. It's the exercise. Look at this place, it's beautiful. So yeah, we're gonna start doing some more golf videos. I got some friends that I've been playing with. Super fun, getting people into the sport. A lot of people helping me with the sport. Just getting better. Progression, that's what it's all about. Alternating. Different hobbies, different skills, sharing knowledge. Let's do it. Alright, left myself with a little putt there. But totally doable. Totally doable. We can save some par here, huh? What you think? Bad. We're closer. Just putt right quick. The par's not on the card yet. We'll take a bogey any day. Hey, look, bogeys, not bad. And look, just so everybody knows that I'm being honest. There's my bogey. I'm taking it. But anywho, golf is it's a game. If you can't trust yourself, then I mean that's all you cheat. You're just cheating yourself. Everybody's out enjoying the weather today. Beautiful. A crisp 73 degrees. Nice little breeze. The sun feels good on my back. It's gonna be a good day. All right, hole number 2. Nice little par 4. Looking like it's about 295 yards. A little dog leg to the right. I think this is doable. Check it out. Not too bad. Dog legs just over to the right. Green there. Decent little par 4. I think we can take the driver and slice it around there. Let's check it out. All right, see what we can do here. Nice little butter fade. Butter faded on in there. Nice and easy. Something like that. A little more right than I wanted. But it's playable. A little more right than I wanted, but it's playable. We'll make it work. Alright, so found my ball right there next to that red stake. But you see that ball over there? Yeah. somebody's trying to play through, so I'm just gonna let them have it. All right, getting closer. All right, number 3. Number 3, here we go. Oh, not enough. That old wet grass got me. Wet grass got me. It's a long putt for par. I think we can do it. Didn't leave myself with much, did I? A little too much. Well, that's a double. That's a double, but not bad. Par 4, double. Not complaining. Good hole. All right, hole number 3. Nice little short par 3. About 130 yards or so. Let's check it out. All right, things in the front. Quite a bit of slope. I'm gonna take a smooth 8-iron, try to put it right on the back side of that green and let it roll back down. I don't want to come up short. There's a big valley there. Far left, but we're safe. We're safe. That's my fault. It's kind of a fat shot, but we can make it work. All right, left myself a little short, but not complaining. Still not a bad shot. See if we can get up there close to this pin. Make sure I follow through. Push it up there. Here we go. Just like that. That's gonna be nice. That's gonna be nice, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that'll work. Okay. Okay. All right. Oh, decent line, but we just have to go for the bogue. Or the double bogue. Oh well. Not mad. Not bad. That's 2 over. That's a 5 on that one, but we'll make it up. We'll make it up. Let the squirrel pass. Alright, Mr. Squirrel's gone. Okay, here we go. Another nice little par 3. We're going to go with the 9-iron. About 125 yards. Nice and smooth. I said smooth. There we go, that's a little smoother. Alright, let's see what we can do here, guys. Just like that. Little left. Little left. I might have been aimed up bad. It's doable though. We'll play it. Right club choice. Just wrong line. Pin high. See it there? Ball. Bam. Not bad though. We'll make it work. Let's get it up there. Stay up, stay up, stay up. A little too much. It's quick. It's quick, but we're on the green. Let's do it. Oh man, so close. Not bad. We'll take the bogue. We'll take the bogue. All right, hole number 5. Made the corner. All right, so hole number 5. I decided to cut the corner. Let me get out all this rough junk. Taking the shortcuts. I decided to cut the corner, and it paid off. It paid off. See my ball right up. Maybe, I don't know, 60 yards out. Not bad. We'll take it. I'll show you when we get there. Here we are. It was a little further than I thought. 80 yards. Still doable. Still doable. Not bad first shot. Feet a little lower. All right, here we go. On the green and putting, baby. All right, it's a long putt, but definitely doable. Do this for bird. We got it. Not enough. This one's going though. Yes! Getting the hole, baby. Not a bad par. Alright. Hole number 6. Looks like a short one. Let's see. About 125 yards. We got this. We got this. Round's going good. Let's keep up the momentum. Not too much. It'll play.
Yep.
It'll play.
All right.
Yeah, right distance, wrong line. It happens. A little dangerous. Comes downhill. We gotta get right up on the edge here. Roll it down. Here we go. Not high enough on the top. Drops a little more than I thought. It's cool, we can put it in. Still got par on this one. And the par putt. Should be fairly easy. Let's see. All right, we'll take the bogue. We'll take the bogue. All right, we'll take the bogue. Moving on. Perfect.
Nice drive.
Very perfect. You can stay right on those trees, that right side's and decent. It's not a bad look from there. So these fellas were nice enough to let me jump in to keep the game moving. So we're gonna finish out with them. Cool cats. Actually, one of them's from Baton Rouge, so yeah, fun stuff. Let's get it. Not a bad one. That was what, 330 from there? So this has that's gotta be a 280 drive.
Wow, nice.
Not bad. Get up.
There you
Nice
go.
shot.
Good ball.
Perfect, thank you. Oh man. I thought you had that one for a second.
Well, I thought it might break, but it You want me to mark that?
No, sir, you're good. You can put it out. You're fine. We're not that serious. We're just having fun.
Well, you're going for birdie. So.
No break at all, does it? Wow, you weren't lying.
Big par.
Thank you. Nice putt, man.
Nice.
Not a bad closeout.
Well, if I don't consider my drive and pick your drive, that would be a bogey for me.
It gets better, don't worry. It took me like 20 years and I finally figured it out.
They're at the green.
I don't think I can drive that, so we're gonna play. Oh, I lost it. I think that one's gone.
Yeah, I lost
That
it.
one's gone. First one of the day, dang it. Yep, I pulled that one hard. Okay, got a counter stroke out the woods. No big deal. We'll play it from here. Nice easy shot. Good easy swing. Kick left. Kick left. Perfect. I'll take it. Played before. See if I can do it. Bogeys are your friend. Bogeys are your friend. Can't be mad at those, can you? Alright, hole number 9 is fitting out strong.
Hurry up. Nice.
A little short. That was an 8-iron too.
Nice.
Little short. Whew. That's a good one. That's a goodie. Not quite. All right, so not a bad round. Was fun. Met some cool cats. Got to visit a little bit. Shot 8 over. It's just a par, so it's a 9-hole course. Par is 38, 31. Par is 31. I shot a 38, so not bad. Not bad. Can't complain. Good times. All right, guys. That does it for today. Good round. Made some friends. Now it's time to go find something else fun to do. So, until next time. Catch you later.